Hey friends, today we're diving into the world of extended fasting, specifically what happens when you decide to go without food for a whole week. Now, before we get into it, remember I'm not a doctor and this isn't medical advice. Always consult with a healthcare professional before making any significant changes to your diet. With that said, let's explore what a 7-day fast might look like. Weight loss. First up, let's talk about the obvious, weight loss. Going without food for a week is bound to lead to some serious shedding of pounds. Your body starts tapping into stored glycogen and fat for energy, which can result in a noticeable drop on the scale. Nutrient deficiency. But here's the catch, while you're shedding pounds, you're also missing out on essential nutrients. Extended fasting can lead to nutrient deficiencies since you're not getting the vitamins and minerals your body needs to function at its best. Energy levels. Now, in the beginning, you might feel like a superhero, more alert and energized. That's your body using up those stored energy reserves. However, as the days go by, you might find your energy levels dropping and fatigue setting in. Muscle loss. Another concern is muscle loss. While your body prefers using fat for fuel, it can dip into your muscle tissue for amino acids. To combat this, maintaining a good protein intake and incorporating some resistance training might help keep that muscle mass intact. Electrolyte imbalance. Ever heard of electrolytes? Well, extended fasting can mess with them. This might lead to symptoms like dizziness, weakness, or even irregular heartbeats. Not exactly the kind of party you want in your body. Digestive changes. And when you finally decide to break your fast, your digestive system might throw a little tantrum. It's crucial to reintroduce food gradually to avoid any tummy trouble. Mental and emotional effects. Now, let's talk about the mental and emotional roller coaster. Fasting can mess with your mood, leaving you irritable, moody, or struggling to concentrate. So, be mindful of those emotional ups and downs. Medical supervision. Important note, if you're thinking about going on a week-long fast, do it under medical supervision, especially if you have health conditions like diabetes or a history of eating disorders. Safety first, folks. Refeeding syndrome. And here's a heads up, when you decide to break your fast, there's something called refeeding syndrome to watch out for. It's no joke, causing potentially life-threatening electrolyte imbalances. Gradual reintroduction to eating is key here. So, there you have it, the lowdown on what might happen if you decide to fast for 7 days. It's quite the journey, but before you jump into the deep end, consider dipping your toes in with a different approach, intermittent fasting. Instead of going all in with a week-long fast, why not opt for intermittent fasting in the first phase? Intermittent fasting involves cycling between periods of eating and fasting, and it allows your body to adopt changes gradually. This approach is often more sustainable and can be integrated into a long-term, healthy lifestyle. With intermittent fasting, you might start with a simple 16/8 method, fasting for 16 hours and eating during an 8-hour window. It's a gentler way to ease your body into fasting, and many people find it easier to stick with over the long haul. By incorporating intermittent fasting, you can still reap some of the benefits of fasting without the potential risks associated with a prolonged, extended fast. Plus, it gives you the flexibility to find a fasting routine that works for your schedule and lifestyle. Remember, everyone's body is different, so it's essential to listen to yours and make choices that align with your health goals. Before making any significant changes to your diet, always consult with a healthcare professional for personalized advice. Stay curious, stay healthy, and consider taking small steps toward a lifestyle that works for you.